Today we are doing an experiment. So we have a mask. This is a homemade mask. We're gonna put it in front of here and see if it works and goes here. We also have non-homemade, and then we're gonna see how far that goes. I think that this one's gonna block it because it's thick. And we're also gonna test it with no mask. So first we test with no mask.
Yeah.
Here comes the sneeze.
Sneeze.
How far did it go?
It goes
46 inches, almost 4 feet.
okay. Now how are you gonna test it with the same
I
paper?
could be the mask holder.
But it's the same paper, so
Good point, good point. Should we put fresh paper?
okay. No. Wait for short information. So now we're gonna try the homemade. I mean, not the non-homemade mask. See how far that goes.
Other way.
Other way.
Yes.
Right. Oops. So yes. 3, 2, 1. This.
Like nothing came through?
No.
Nothing
Okay.
came out.
We'll really try and get it through, okay? Pretend you're doing a crazy sneeze.
Oh, bless. Okay, yeah, then nothing goes through.
Yeah. It's nothing.
So I'm gonna guess this mask will hopefully stand.
Okay. T-shirt mask, trial 1.
Nothing.
What is the conclusion of the experiment?
Masks are effective, and you should always wear masks.